Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your KeyBank tax forms. Open the website, then click Sign On. Now, sign in with your user ID and password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. You have two options: either to verify using a one-time passcode, or through answering a security question. Click on the option you wish to select. In this video, we chose to verify by answering a security question. Once you've answered the question, or entered a passcode, click on Submit. Once you're signed in, click on your KeySmart checking account. At the upper right part of the screen, you will see several options. Click on More. Then several options will appear. Click on the option that says Tax Forms. Then verify your identity with a one-time passcode or by answering a security question. Now you will be able to see all of your tax forms. That's how you get your KeyBank tax forms. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.